Today, we will see together a very important section of our Mploy Social. Groups. It is precisely according to the different groups that you decide to create within the social, which will then be conveyed all the information flows between the different employees of your company structure. In each group, you have at your disposal a set of tools that allow you to facilitate communication between the different members and to keep track of all the information and documentation shared in that group over time. In each group, you can directly share information thanks to Stream, upload documents which you want to share with your colleagues of the same group, create surveys, for example, in order to decide the date of an internal meeting, create and assign tasks that have to be carried out, and finally, create and manage a wiki page. Don't miss the next episode and keep discovering the benefits of a corporate social network with us.